Upower series. In this video, we will discuss about the Upower series. Upower is a hybrid solar inverter charger. This means that charges the batteries with solar energy and at the same time convert the DC energy stored in batteries to AC power. In order to understand the concept, let's first start with what is an inverter. Inverters are employed to convert the DC power to AC power, providing the required voltage and frequency at the output. Inverters are an essential part of photovoltaic systems that supplies AC power for any appliance. What about solar charge controller? Solar chargers get the electricity from solar panels and control for everything to make sure that the batteries are being charged healthily and efficiently. Finally, hybrid inverter charger. A hybrid inverter charger puts an inverter and a charge controller together. This is an all-in-one solution. However, it's not the only advantage of a hybrid device. Sometimes the amount of energy absorbed by solar panels is not enough to charge the battery, so an additional source of energy is necessary to provide power for the photovoltaic system. An inverter charger then gets connected to an external AC power source to charge the batteries. And when the input AC power is unavailable, Upower switches to battery power to produce energy for consumers. Upower inverter charger. Upower adapts a multi-core processor design and an advanced MPPT control algorithm. It offers 4 charging modes: solar priority, utility priority, solar, and utility and solar. 2 output modes for battery and utility enables this device to meet various application demands. It comes with high response speed and high reliability. The product adopts a 4.2-inch LCD design, which displays the real-time system parameters. Comprehensive electronic protection functions ensure the highest levels of safety and stability. PV array absorbs the sun power and passes the current to the MPPT charge controller to charge the battery. Utility can be any external source of AC power in urban applications. This source can be the power distribution network, while for off-grid systems, an external power generator can provide the energy. The AC output voltage of the Upower is in the range of 220 to 230 VAC. Upower can power the appliance directly from the AC source. This is called the bypass function. Battery. Upower is compatible with various types of batteries, including AGM, gel, and flooded. However, the charging parameters are fully customizable to meet the charging profile of any kind of battery. Features of Upower series. Here are some highlights. Check the product data sheet for more information. Applications of Upower series. The prominent feature of the Upower series is to combine the external AC power with the solar energy to enhance the reliability of the system. In places with higher rates of cloudy sky, it's not efficient enough to use the external generator all the time in terms of cost and maintenance. Upower will take solar as the primary source and would bring the external source to the network only if necessary. This ensures an efficient use of the solar system while reducing the runtime and costs of external power sources. As an instance, Upower inverter charger can be employed in a boat or RV by utilizing the shore power or a generator to supply AC power. Installation is simple and straightforward. After removing the terminal's cover, solar panel and AC load can be connected to the Upower. Battery and utility inputs are also illustrated here. RTS interface is used to employ the temperature sensor, which controls the temperature of the battery to protect the system from overheat and freezing. Switches can determine the output voltage and frequency. Upower series input priorities. Solar priority, default. In this mode, the battery is charged in solar priority mode, and when the battery voltage is lower than auxiliary module on voltage, VAON, the utility starts charging. When the battery voltage reaches to auxiliary module off voltage, VAOF, the utility stops charging. Utility priority. The battery is charged in utility priority mode, and when the battery voltage is lower than auxiliary module on voltage, the solar starts charging. When the battery voltage reaches to auxiliary module off voltage, the solar stops charging. Utility and solar. Utility and solar charge the battery together. Solar. Solar panels charges the battery. Output can be provided using batteries or utility directly. Stay tuned for our next videos.